It's getting worse. I had the van broke into once where they took some tools. I had the ladders nicked off the top. So anything to stop people coming around is going to be a bit of a deterrent. And I think putting cameras up so people think, oh, I'm being recorded, my face might get plastered across social media as a little scumbag, then yeah, it's a good idea. And I will be putting some cameras up all over the house later on. But I wanted to get something to put up now. I haven't decided what cameras I'm going to put up, and I need the time basically. I'm quite busy at the minute. So what I've done, I've went and bought the Blink Outdoor 4 cameras from Amazon, because I got the package deal with the doorbell as well. Yeah, I've opened it up. And I'm going to put these up just for now, see how long they last, see what the batteries are like, just to test them out as well, because I know a few customers, they wanted some cameras, some cheap and cheerful cameras, and I think this is a good solution for people that just want a bit of CCTV around their property. And they say that these batteries last for about 2 years. And to be honest with you, they're quite easy to replace as well. So I'm going to put these cameras up around property and let's see what they're like. And are they worth, what, 250 quid, something like that? So let's open the box up and see what's inside. Right, well, we've got the 4 camera system with the little thing that makes it go on the internet. So let's have a look what these I've got in here. So the 4 cameras, and I wanted to see how they fix to the wall as well. Well, these little bits. So let's get this out, all in their own little packets. Very nice and neat. All right, we've got the batteries in there. And then this, is that very secure? Yeah, I think that'll be quite good. And if you wanted to put it at an angle, you can do this as well. Clip that in there. I think if this is right. Ooh, that's it. And you could put it at an angle as well. Do they go on there like that? Yes. So they can sit on the side of a wall as well. Yep, and they're easily adjustable. So we've got a screwdriver. Yes, this is my garage kit. It's not insulated, but let's have a look on here. Yes. Lithium batteries out, and you've got the reset on there, and you can recharge them if they're rechargeable batteries, which these are not. We've got 4 of them, so that's all right. And then in here, that's just an empty box. And in this one, what is in here? Right, so it comes with, right, so you can hook them all up to the Blink as well. Or, alright, so it just needs power, so that will hook up wirelessly. So you can put that anywhere. That is a good thing. So I didn't want to have to put that right back down by the router, because I've got so much crud down there already. But if I can put that down there, then that will hook that up to these cameras, if that is the plan. And then let's get a look at the doorbell then, see what this doorbell is like, and what batteries does it take. Ideally I want to put this on mains, so what batteries does it take in there? The same little batteries once again, so AA's. Does it come with any? Comes with a few bits. Let's see if we can open it up. Just rip it to bits. So has it got batteries in it? 3 batteries. So does that take 3? Yeah, it takes 3 in there. So let's get them set up. Right, well, I reckon firstly I'm going to have to download the app to make this work. So let's just go onto the camera. Blink.com. Here we go. Set up your Blink devices. Outdoor 2K. What have I got? Looks like them ones. Right, I've got the black ones, whether that matters, I do not know. Setting up your sync module. Right, so this just tells you how to do it. I'm going to guess. So I need to find out where to get the app from. I'm going to go onto the App Store and just have a look. Blink, B-L-I-N-K. Blink home monitor. Here we go. Let's download that. Right, and we're up and running. You have to put your email in, your phone number, your address, and everything like that. So I had to put all that in. I tried to hook it up to my Amazon account. That was something I'll have to do later on. But then now, all I want to do is plug this in. So once I'm on the app, I want to add, I'm going to call that the sync module. Enter the serial number, which you can do with a QR code. I've got to let my camera allow it. Allow camera. Right, okay. Now, got it. Sync module. Create a new system. Name your system. The manner. And it is blinking blue and a steady yellow. Yeah, discover the device. Join to that network. And then that's it. Your sync module is online. You've got a steady blue light and a green light. So I'm assuming I can plug that in anywhere now. So now I want to connect to this doorbell. Right, so what we've got, a video doorbell, wire free, and scan this again. Continue. Right, now I can put the cover back on. It says stick the cover back on there. There we go. Oh, remove battery cover and put that in. I've already done that, so I've got the batteries in there. And they're in. So now I wait for the LED to blink red. Yep, then discover it. Anything you get out of the box, it always says it's updating the firmware. Well, you just got to let it do it. And that's it. The doorbell's added. So then let's give the doorbell a go. Someone's at your door, it says. Right, so we've got the doorbell going. Now we want to get one of these cameras going. So again, a wireless camera. Make sure it's 7 feet away from that, which is like one hand, so alright. Let's get, oh, I could have used that a little bit. I didn't realise that was for. Right, so let's get this. Now, every single one says updating firmware. Well, this is going to take a little while. So I'm going to add the cameras up, and I've got the doorbell going. And then we'll see where we're going to put them. And there is another camera added. There we go. And now we have it all set up. So we've got the front door where, yes, great. The side of the van, that's exactly what I wanted to get. And the doorbell, that's what that is. And then we've got the back of the van. That's exactly what I wanted as well, in case any little scallywags got the back. And yeah, I had 4 cameras, so I shoved one in the garden to see the dog do a poo. I don't even know what I put that one there for. And then we've also got the side of the door. Hang about, look, there's a hottie there. Zoom into her a little bit. Well, she ignored me. So hang about, the hot is still there. The other side of the garden, so I can cover all angles. I'll go and check that hottie out. So that's it. And now I'm all set up with my camera system around the house. It's a cheap and cheerful one, I think, and it does the job because you can hear the sound on it as well. And obviously, as you saw there, you can talk to the people that are outside of your house. I don't know, it's like, please don't break in, something like that. And then also, I've got to check out the subscription package. I'm not sure how much it costs, but I'm going to look into it so I can keep the motion detection and obviously store the videos to the cloud as well. Because if anything does happen, I want to go back and check what happened and who was it. So that is your little review of the Blink Outdoor 4. I think a great little bargain. And if you want to get your hands on some of these from the Amazon link in the show notes, then check it out because I make about £1.50. Till next time, see you again.